Hi, hello. So for today's video, I will walk you through on the familiarization of the OBS Studio. OBS is Open Broadcasting Software. So this software is free and open source, and as per survey, it always top the survey as best recording software available. And it is also free software. So as you can see, we are now in the interface of the OBS Studio. So in the first instance, if you are new to the OBS Studio, you will get overwhelmed. And at the first look, it seems confusing, but actually it's easy to use once you are already familiar with it. So we have upon downloading, so this window will be the first one will pop up. This is the main window. Of course, you have here the buttons here for the controls. You have this studio mode. Click on this, and you will have two screens. You have the preview scene and then you have the program scene. Of course, if you click this again, then you will go back to the one screen only. And the features here, you have the scenes, the sources, you have the insert, you have the sequence items, and then you have the notes. Very important for the OBS Studio are the sources, or going to the sources. So for recording, for video recording, so this will be your settings. So I have my settings here. First one is the audio input capture. Then the second one, the window capture. Then you have the display capture. Display capture. Then we have the video capture, guys. So that is why you can see here. It's because of the video capture, guys. Display capture. So what is being displayed is captured. Our input capture. So as we were saying, so this is used in video recording. For example, you have a lecture presentation, you have a PowerPoint presentation, and you'd like to be recorded, so you can use OBS Studio as a software. So let us minimize. So as you can notice, we are on the main screen. Okay. And you cannot see it anymore, but actually we stop recording and we go to the output. I will proceed. So we go back to our OBS. And then you would like to present your PowerPoint. You can do so. I have here my PowerPoint 65 minutes. You can have a slideshow from the beginning, and you can start presenting your presentation or your lesson. Present for lesson, and then go back, and then you hit recordings. And then now start your recording. So let us try to familiarize our OBS Studio. As we said, you have the scenes, you have the sources. For the sources, it is already found here. These are the sources of the application of Clipchamp. Agoy, mataas na. Hali!